In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the voltage gain of this circuit. We already worked out the voltage gain by hand in the previous chapter, and you can see those results on the screen. Now let's use our custom DC and AC models in Multisim and see if we can get a similar result. To calculate the voltage gain, we need to start with a DC analysis. That means we first have to build the DC version of the circuit you see here. Remember, in DC analysis, capacitors act as open circuits. So effectively, we are analyzing two separate circuits. To save time, I'll go ahead and draw these circuits in Multisim quickly. Before we run the simulation, we need to update the MOSFET parameters, specifically the threshold voltage and the Kn value. I click the Run button, and as you can see, the voltage and current values match exactly with the results we calculated in the previous chapter. Now that we have found the DC operating point values, the next step is to construct the AC circuit and run an AC analysis. As you already know, for AC analysis, the capacitors act like short circuits, and we set the DC sources to 0. So let's quickly draw the AC circuit in Multisim. Similar to DC analysis, we need to update the MOSFET parameters before simulation. Next, I double-click on the input net and name it Vin. Also, I double-click on the output net and name it Vout. To calculate the voltage gain, I go to the interactive menu and choose single frequency AC. In the Output tab, I first remove any existing variables. Then I click on Add Expression. Since the voltage gain is Vout over Vin, I double-click on the Vout variable, then double-click on the division operator, and then finally double-click on the Vin variable. After that, I click OK to close the window. Now you can see that Vout over Vin is listed under the Selected Variables for Analysis section. Finally, I click the Run button. As you can see, the gain of the circuit is exactly similar to what we calculated in the previous chapter.